Welcome, everyone, to our session on understanding the IDDSI Level 6 Soft Food Diet. Today, we'll explore what a soft food diet is, why it's important, and how it can help people with chewing or swallowing difficulties eat safely. Let's get started on this important topic. In this presentation, we'll first introduce the IDDSI Level 6 Soft Food Diet. Then, we'll look at its main characteristics, foods to avoid, and examples of foods you can safely include. The goal is to help you understand how to identify, select, and prepare the right foods for people who need a soft diet. Here's what we're going to learn today. First, we'll define what a Level 6 soft diet is. Next, we'll explore the key characteristics that make up a soft diet. We'll also review which foods should be avoided, and finish with examples of foods that are safe and suitable for a Level 6 diet. The IDDSI Level 6, or soft diet, is meant for individuals who have trouble chewing or swallowing. Foods on this diet must be soft, tender, and moist, and cut into small pieces, no bigger than 1.5 by 1.5 centimeters. Examples include chopped meats, peeled and soft fruits, softened cereals, and well-cooked pasta or rice with thick sauces. Thin liquids like broths or juices are not included in this level. It's important to understand the risks of not following these guidelines. According to IDDSI's Ombudsman report, choking contributed to the deaths of 11 people between 2014 and 2017. Most of these individuals had known risk factors, such as swallowing difficulties and specific eating habits. This highlights why proper food texture and safety are crucial. To meet the requirements of a soft diet, foods must always be soft, tender, and moist. This makes them easier to chew and swallow, and reduces the risk of choking. Hard, dry, or rough foods are not allowed, as they can be unsafe for people with chewing or swallowing difficulties. Another critical point is that food pieces must be bite-sized, with each piece no larger than 1.5 by 1.5 centimeters. Cutting food into small pieces makes it easier to manage in the mouth and helps ensure safe swallowing. While foods are prepared to make chewing easier, some chewing is still necessary for safe swallowing on a Level 6 diet. People following this diet should have enough ability to chew small, soft pieces, but might struggle with tougher or larger food items. Individuals on a soft food diet should be able to move food around in their mouth and swallow, but they should not need to bite off large pieces. Instead, foods should be prepared in small, manageable portions to help prevent choking or aspiration. It's also important to avoid foods with separate, thin liquids that can run off the solid parts. Examples to watch for include foods that are very juicy or come with sauces that separate. These liquids can easily cause someone to cough or choke. An easy way to check if a food is soft enough is to use what's called the pressure test. If you can break or cut the food using only the side of a fork, spoon, or chopsticks, it meets the requirement for a Level 6 soft diet. The Level 6 soft diet is particularly suitable for people who have trouble chewing or get fatigued when chewing, experience pain during meals, have trouble biting into larger pieces, or deal with dental problems. It's designed to make eating safer and more comfortable in these situations. Examples of suitable foods include soft, peeled fruits like bananas and ripe peaches, well-cooked vegetables, soft starches such as mashed potatoes or thick oatmeal, tender proteins like minced meats or soft fish, soft cheeses and puddings, and suitable sauces and gravies. All should be soft, moist, and cut into small pieces. On the other hand, foods to avoid include anything hard, chewy, raw, chunky, crispy, stringy, crumbly, or sticky, as well as foods that contain separate thin liquids. These can be difficult to manage and pose safety risks. To safely support people on a Level 6 soft diet, it's important to recognize, prepare, and test food textures. Always check that foods are soft, moist, bite-sized, and can be broken with the side of a fork. By following these guidelines, you'll help ensure safe and comfortable eating for those who need this diet. Thank you for your attention. In summary, the IDDSI Level 6 soft diet is designed for people who need softer, easier to manage foods. By understanding the requirements and practicing the preparation tips we've discussed, you'll be better equipped to safely support individuals with these dietary needs. Thank you for your attention.